izule obvious nami usuqhaqela Movies yayona umbrella i-podcast enothando labantu thanda nokwazi ngohambo labantu hamba ngefaith futhi ayihambi ngeside kodwa mekumnyama.
What up, Zitini, everybody? To Girl Our Child Africa, the African rock star Esngqangqawini represent. Today, we bring you another exciting episode of the Creatives Unplugged podcast. And you guys know I'm getting humble with the brother of the show.
Sister of the show.
Brother of the show.
Niyaphila kodwa. Ama-creative simbingelele. Ngokukhulu kuyithobo ukubingelela.
Hey, usiyarapha njalo, sikakaphelele 2 minutes.
Kwaze kwamnandi bese ngakhumbula ama-creatives.
Uba igama lakho wena sikutholanga futhi.
Awusihle wakandima nje. Sengi-on vele ngiphakathi. Usihle wakandima aka Mhligo Risto wonke umuntu uyangazi. Uma ungangazi usuyangazi njengamanje. Si-on we-Creative Unplugged podcast sesiphinde safika.
Sesiphinde sabuye, siphinde satheleka njengamanje eThekwini.
Ngiyabona ukuthi kuzoba busy laphana ngama-metro kunama-metro.
Kunama-metro awards afike achisekile ama-metro. Yafikile. I saw there's going to be a music conference.
Yeah.
At Playhouse on the 23rd.
Yes.
And it's free entry. My creatives. Please go and
singene nje attend senze izinto zenzeke. Kunenye platform futhi ekhona lapha eBed Center ngama Wednesdays.
Oh yes, Wednesdays poetry sessions, open mic.
Yeah.
And then on
Thursdays it's hip hop. And then Fridays is jazz. Jazz. So ungahlala endlini ubhoreke.
Free entry, open mic.
Futhi la ma platform ayakusiza ukuthi utest iskill sakho
yabo
lonto
ukuthi nobani
unaso sakhe skill
nobani
unaso sakhe skill now unaso esakhe skill usufuna ngiraphe
ichuphile
so
kathele lesingisi sikhoko
bra I can't wait for I guest day namhlanje
vele wangena ngesingisi
nje
ayike introduce
yo wena uzomintroduce ngifuna introduce wena but ngifuna ukutshela ukuthi lo muntu ngithi ngisabhekile lapha ukhona kwe hosting abuya bekhona futhi ku music abuya pheke futhi
ngamgcina enza igqomu mina ngifuna ukumbona
hayi sinoba namhlanje sikho
give it up for Zami
what did
mina wazi ubhenga uvoshoka mina
Alright, so
siyaphila ninjani?
Siyaphila. Welcome to the
Happy birthday
Beyonce podcast. Hey, awusezoyicula.
Happy birthday Beyonce.
Happy birthday Beyonce. Hey, wazoba famous umuntu ngeculo.
Akazi birthday yakhe South Africa Beyonce.
Hey, mhlawumbe sekwayizwa naye uBeyonce la shayisa.
Usayizwile.
Izinto ziyatrend.
Unjelile mina.
Wakutshela.
Unjelile, usintshela nje.
Uba umngane wakho Jay-Z noma
umngane ba?
Wakho.
Usifanele uBeyonce mina.
Beyonce.
Fanele mina. How?
Imagine.
Hey bo, bese unjani? Unjani Zami?
Iyaphila njani?
Angisakwazi la.
Yo. It's been a while.
Nice. Ubhizi ngani these days mfethu?
Hey, mfethu kade ngirecorda nje ingoma yami nje.
Oh, okay.
Piano.
Yeah.
Eyothando nje uyilo.
Oh
yeah, I've been lazy, but I'm trying to pick up my socks and get back on my feet.
Yeah. So kukhona singakuzwisa abantu njengamanje mhlawumbe ingoma ungathanda sidlale.
Asidlale, awudlale umaskandi lapho.
Asigibele phekwayo. Ingoma sendo record piano kanikandi ke manje.
Mina ngiversatile mfethu ngingangena nomikepi.
Alright.
Yezwa leyo nto leyo. Angihlale endaweni eyodwa mney.
Wena la uphethe bala.
Mina noSijumbulu la.
uSijumbulu.
Bona wasentuzuma yes.
Hey.
Alright.
Bambe phansi nje sifika lento uzuma. Waza uSijumbulu.
Ayo. Yini gama layo?
Nombembe.
Okay.
Saphumelela befundile besisawubesibone. Noma befala indlela.
Yaphinde nje.
Yebo. Hayibo. Kufanele.
Demuzo funa kuwakho sazowakha.
Bona la sikhuluma ngamaphuphethu la.
Yeah.
Ngene bevali. Ngene bevali.
Awudlale right ke la creatives.
Sukuma lapha kubuka. Ushawo wakho.
Nendida.
Aphumelelo. Sinazongena. Aphumelelo.
Uyathanda
Ezithini?
Yabona emakhaya ayingenyiwe.
Sesiyaphutha lo mfana kuthiwa
Hawu.
sengenile.
Enkani.
Songena ngemzuzu kanompempe. Songena ngemzuzu kanompempe. Songena ngemzuzu kanompempe. Thina songena ngemzuzu kanompempe.
last minute. Hayi siyabonga. Hey. Uba usayinsimbini la.
Lalela. Hey.
Ungasho uthi wena futhi.
Hayi.
Phela wena ungena
Akwazi.
Producer.
Akwazi ibo. Omunye ubhuti ngamthathaleko Clement. Eweshaya into yakhe. So the producer was uSicelo Gowane.
Ucelo bese blind.
Ucelo is very good. It's very very good. And akazazi.
Ucelo wenzele ngoma.
USicelo.
Ucelo bese ngamanje bese ucelo kusiyami. Hawusha usikhande kanje.
Uyancenza futhi.
Hayibo.
Ula.
Hayibo.
Wow.
He's very talented. So nje our area's got a lot of talent, guys.
Yeah.
Honestly speaking, Durban has a lot.
Yes.
A lot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So tell us more about your background ukuthi ukhulele phi uzothanda umculo nje kanje wenze more.
Okay, well my background is very very simple. Mina ngakholela eNewlands, eNewlands West. Ngastaka khona. Ngisamncane ngakhula khona namanje.
Hayibo.
Ngafunda ngayizimetro ngaqeda ngayi-DUT and I studied fashion and textiles. So I am a qualified textile designer.
Okay.
So the background yami ngakhulu ikumculo and fashion and food and music. That's where I'm stuck nje.
Yeah.
So a lot of people always know me for multitasking anything. I would do into manje ngenza into ecele phinde ngigcine sengenza yonke into. Yabo. Because manje I don't want to be relying on one thing. I want yabo bathi ngifundile nje I want to fall back certificate sami. Anything happen. Yes.
So loluthando lokuba more involved lokuba active liqale ke la esikoleni ngifuna ukubona ukuthi busuvele lapho ucula nakhona noma kunezinto ozenzayo with fashion.
Yeah, it started at my school and DUT at the textile design because we had a lot of creatives in drawing.
Yeah.
Some people are writing. We had a lot of things because the way we depict our clothing, we have to write on paper and then we show it on your clothing to garment design. It was hectic. So that's where I started drawing out of inspiration.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Ish. Sengifisa ukubona umsebenzi wakho. Available kanjani mhlambe lo we fashion?
Okay, with fashion, I need to do a proper profile, guys.
Yeah.
Which I've been relying so much on music and other things.
Yeah.
So I just need to do a proper profile because a lot of people come to me for assistance in like dressing them up or like drawing like like an illustration for like a garment for them to wear to any concert, Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, that's
nice.
It. Yeah.
Yeah, ayingeke. Ku music ke kushuthi nakhona uyashiblika futhi ngalana
music nje amashow nje I slide the shoe.
Uqale nje ukubhala from mhlawumbe khona tertiary noma earlier than that.
I think I started in tertiary actually.
Okay.
During my school times in DUT. And I used to escape, sorry guys, and go and record music. Yes. And I did my first song, What You Are Child Knows Up.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Who was the producer Labo?
Oh, shame, he passed away. Ulubza. Sean.
Oh, Sean.
Sean, shame.
That
was bad.
And then from there onwards, what other projects were you working on up until of recent?
I've been doing piano with Black Major.
Oh,
Mr.
nice.
Staggy with Bali.
Yeah,
We've been pushing. I've been just stuck with piano.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then
And then
Maskandi.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, I can come back, but I don't know, man. I don't know.
If this is working for you,
So
it's
uthe
working.
uphola kancane
Yes.
ukwehlisa kancane.
Yeah.
Yabo,
It's too
phela igqomo
loud for me.
hectic. Li hectic.
Ibo yazitheke.
Kodwa manje sivule masivula la savula ngomaskani ungena kanjani lapha kuleli yagiya futhi buye kufike livuka usinga ukuthi hey
Yabo nje.
yabona ke manje ngifuna ukuhlephula umaskani.
Ayibo. Ngithe nje ngimcela nje lo mfana lo ngoba ngahlangana naye intuzo ngithe bese angifundisa umaskandi bethu. Akwazi ngumZulu kodwa yabo angikwazi ukucula ngesinto sethu. So nje ngavela ngagibela phe kwaye kusami beat.
Yeah.
Ayi mfethu igame igudlile ne?
Ngigudlile bese.
Because now u-MC futhi.
Ngiyakudla.
Yeah, I saw you hosting like recently.
Yeah.
What was that? Yeah.
That was in Sibaya.
Oh,
Theatre.
okay.
Yeah, there was
Yeah.
a show going on for KZN Fashion Show. So they've
Ashibulika.
Singisa ngempela.
Keep lapho. Ayibo. So I just like being in the creative industry, in the
Yeah.
entertainment industry as well. Yeah.
And ngazi ngicelebeleni lento.
Oh,
Ngicelebeleni.
yes.
Yeah.
Ekhaya.
Yeah.
Usho kanje?
Yeah.
Tell us more about that uba uma wakho
Yes,
noma
my
Alright.
mother.
Alright.
Yes.
Hey.
Nasisikudala sebenza khona uyaziwe yena nje yonke umuntu uqhumela kuyena mefuniza.
All right.
Yeah.
Wenzani uma wakho?
Yebo,
Yini
nje
abhizi
ma.
ngayo?
She's a youth mom, so
Oh.
a lot of things bethu in terms of music and because she's got a lot of connections also. So these learners look up to her kakhulu.
Yeah.
Yabo akekho omunye umuntu ngaphandle kwakhe.
Nice.
Yeah.
Yeah. Eish siyabadinga abantu
The
abanjengayo
school
ma
tours,
Oledi.
everything she does.
Yeah.
There. Yeah, because I've been visiting the Illuction. Baniki Icathuzo Isikole.
Oh.
Nice.
We collaborated with London on 75, and we've given them like school shoes.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, because usiza ukuthi uvashile ikole ubaphatheleni.
Baphatheleni.
Ubaphatheleni. Siyawubona umculo ubaphatheleni.
Hawu mfethu ngempela ingane zifuna
Uphatheleni.
something. Uphethe.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Eish.
Ngafuna lokho.
So Kale obviously igqomo and then
Yeah.
you went on to Sising Maskandi manje, but obviously you are a versatile artist.
Yes.
What other genres do you think you are actually you're not sure that you want to dabble in, but you think you might be interested in?
Hip hop nice. Hip hop is nice, but yeah. I'm not sure about the writing and the rhythms because it's
Yeah.
different than the music that we
Yeah.
play nowadays. Yeah.
Yeah.
But I would hop in it.
Yeah.
I'll piggy.
Hey, that's nice because
Yeah.
now when you have the voice, you can dive in
Yes.
on
Yes.
anything, any genre.
Yes.
Yeah.
Hey, that's dope.
Yeah. So yeah, moving on to other things, gay. I know obviously you cook as well. So where does that come into place? Because I want us to put it all on the table and then
Yes.
Sidle.
Listen.
Yeah.
So the cooking has also come from home.
Mm.
From my mother. My mother has a business of catering.
Nice.
So I was looking and looking. She taught me 1-2 things, and I pulled strings.
Yeah.
And I've actually taken the skill
Mm.
to the Durban Business Fair. Every year we always go and sell our food there, and we make a lot of money, guys.
Nice.
You see.
Dope.
So I think there
What do
is
you cook
one.
there? What do you
Just
thingy?
simple things, burgers, rolls, fries.
Mm.
I bought a Gio
Yahamba.
Yeah.
I don't have the time.
Mfanje
Fast
ufake
food.
irama la.
Abantu bafuna into fresh nje. Fryer hambisa kakho kuhambisa ama take away kuphela.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So the company is still on.
It's still
Ngiyaphela
on.
nje,
Yeah,
yeah. Mhlawumbe
CTM
uma ungakhuluma
events.
ngayo ukuthi bizwa ngani abantu
Okay.
uma befuna ukuniqasha sikufaka entweni manje.
So the name of the company is CTM Events.
Nice.
And we based in Newlands West. We are available on Instagram and Facebook as well.
Nice.
Yes.
Mm.
Hi. Here's the next time. So shy order. This is lunchtime.
And remember, guys, I think on the 30th of
Mm.
April to the 1st of May to the 2nd, there will be a platform open for Durban Business Fair for
Yeah.
the food vendors.
Oh, nice.
So I'm going to be there and I'm going to be pushing myself.
Nice.
Yes.
Nice.
Ish. Yazi sengivele ngalamba.
Hayi, kulambeni mina.
Do you recall the first time you started cooking? Do you recall
Yo.
it? What did you do?
Ibo, guess what? I
Awuzange
made
ugange
mince.
nje.
Immense.
It means
Immense. I don't know what I did there, but my mom was like, no, you put too much salt. Because guys, we grew up with salt and pepper.
Yeah.
Honestly. Let's be honest. Salt and pepper and no rocks. Volleyball. That's it. So that's where I started. And then I grew up. I learned. I copied, and you have to look.
yeah.
That's how you learn.
Yeah.
And sorry, one more. Okay, now you're talking about learning. You're obviously pushing yourself to learn into music, fashion, MCing. So now I want to know, okay, how do you now manage this? Is it per request, or do you have a schedule, or do you have like do you have like a thing? It was okay. Mondays I'm focusing on these orders or this admin. Tuesdays or what? How do you manage?
Oh,
that?
Something. Manager, because I forget. It's gonna be per request.
Okay.
Because now I can't be doing everything once.
Yeah.
I'm recording today, and then someone wants balance today.
Yeah.
That is impossible.
Yeah.
You just have to be honest with
Yes.
people. Like, wait, police, I can't take your order today. I'm busy. That's it. Just be honest with your customer,
Yeah.
your client.
Yeah.
You see.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean, I've been ukuthola nami le management in terms of music. Who's helping you to put together, and then we publish, we fake laphana, une-company enisebenza nayo noma uyimele?
Yes, we use our own company again, CTM Events.
Oh,
As a
nice.
distributor publishing.
Oh, yes.
Again, my mom does all of that. She's my manager.
Okay.
She's the
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
From paperwork, from Samro, everything Risa, we do it on our
That's
own.
so nice because that's your mom. You trust her.
Yeah.
Like, yeah.
If I get the money, I'm gone.
You gone? Where you going?
I'm joking.
I'm
Joking. Yeah, she's really pushing. She's really good at what she does, honestly speaking.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So khona ingoma oyipushayo njengamanje?
Yeah, khona ingoma akayikhiphi ngisenze artwork.
Okay.
Hey guys.
Photoshoot senza ama-photoshoot phela la ekhaya antswempu kabi.
Really?
Yeah, antswempu kabi.
Hayibo.
Hayibo kunelento njani la ngemuva nje.
Khona nje la ekhaya.
I'm gonna come back.
Mangase nje mhlawumbe epage lami nje.
Mm.
There's like the most recent stuff there.
Oh well, I'm coming back then. I have to come back.
Whether
Birthday,
Yeah, graduation.
Movies Media Studios.
Maternity.
Really? Maternity? No.
Yeah.
I'm not going back there, guys. No.
How maternity?
Hey, boy.
Bahlamanise phela Nkosi yami.
Bazothatha bakufake lapha kozingi.
Ayiphumi inkomo kuqala zokwenza nje.
Yeah, I
No,
agree. I
guys,
agree with that.
hayibo.
I agree with
I
that.
keep
Yeah.
inkomo, hayibo.
Because manje
Hayi.
sebefuna i-French treatment.
Already ngisi umfana wami nje. I've got a boy. He's 1
okay.
year old.
Oh, nice.
It's a
Yeah.
lot of
ne?
work.
Eish.
You see, this is why I'm doing everything, guys.
Mm.
I need to feed my baby.
Yeah.
You need?
Nozo
No?
bomama nje nawo mfake laphana koma-adverts lapho.
Yes.
Eish.
Huggies.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely.
So yeah, umsebenzi wakho utholakala kanjani mhlawumbe abantu mabewufuna?
Okay. In terms of my
Music, yes.
Okay, it's Spotify,
Mm.
Apple Music, YouTube, all streaming platforms.
Yeah. So and then ke lo we le tojana ukupheka ile kade uyisho business.
Yes, it's
Okay.
CTM Foods on Instagram, TikTok, however we call.
Nice.
That's
It's a
yeah.
lot. Yeah, it's a lot of work.
You need
Yeah.
a lot to
Kodwa
just go.
uyapusha.
Yeah,
Yeah, I want to push her.
Guess what? I also do nails.
Nails.
Oh, yes, you do nails.
Okay.
Guys,
Yo.
angiyazi mina le.
Hayi kuyasenzakalela. Like yazi mina lento ayisangithusi with ama creatives. Creatives do more.
We do
We
more.
like to do more cause
We do
manje
more.
ngalesikhathi kungalento nje
Ungapophi ngala.
kupophe ngala. Uyabo soyithola kanjani ohlele khoneni?
I don't know.
Yabo? So
Yeah.
you have to
Some of us
do
don't
more.
have the opportunity to be working for Transnet or any good company.
Yeah.
Ask us
Futhi
what
futhi ke nje
what
afuna ngamanga mina ngiright la shame.
Hey, nami ngiright.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ngiyabona nje bethu into eyithandayo.
Mm.
Eh?
Just do it.
Yeah, just do it.
Wenza into oyithandayo.
Yeah, uyenza into
Oh,
ethandayo.
yes, giving us
Ngeze into
talents,
engiyithanda.
guys.
Cha phela
Yeah.
manje kubona masisho kanjalo abantu thi.
Na khona
Ngifuna
abantu
ukwenza umathanda
khona abantu
nje.
abafundayo ubafundele ukuthi bethole umsebenzi.
Yeah.
Khona abantu abafundele ukuthi
Nakho.
benze into eyipassion.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And guess what? The money you're making is the money they're getting paid. You
Yes.
understand? Ngosuku.
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah.
Mawuphusha ngempela, mawuphusha ngempela.
Mawuphusha ngempela.
Yeah. Yeah.
Sisakhuluma ngokuphusha kanjena mhlawumbe ayikho i-message ofuna ukuyisho kubantu abasibukele kuma young stars abafuna ukuqala nabo i-catering company abafuna ukuyibona bese stage beyo MC behosta something.
Hey, young people, youth.
Yes.
I'm just gonna say one thing. I think you must just look at yourself first. Know who you are.
Yeah.
Just know who you are. You know, because you can cook, but like your food is not even nice. I think just start everything at home.
Yep.
And make sure your paperwork is 100% because anyone can play you.
Yeah.
Your neighbor can even play you.
Yeah.
I can steal your work overnight without anything.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just know yourself. Make sure your paperwork is 100%.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Knowledge is power, guys.
Knowledge is power.
Iyona nje lento le. Iyona esivuselelayo thina la ku Creative Unplugged podcast we like to stress the message of
Yes.
ukuthi abantu let's
Yes.
help each other.
Doesn't take more than a second. Okay,
You
it
know?
does, but then that doesn't take more than isikhathi singanani. Just go on
Yes.
Google something. Makhona igama ongalazi, just go on search what it means.
Yeah.
And there are short programs now these days if you like lazy to go to university.
Yeah.
You know?
University used to be
Yes.
everything
Yeah.
back then.
Oh,
It is,
big
but
boys.
education is still everything. But you don't have to be in university to obtain your
Skill.
Yeah.
What's working right now is a skill.
Yeah.
Skills. This amazing.
Yes, next replace to AI foods.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You see?
AI
No,
is a talk
Mercy.
for another day.
Yeah.
Uyabona ukuthi indlela engena ngayo.
Lalela.
Kakhulukazi ngathi shaya thina is creative.
Yeah,
Uvuke
sekhona
ebusuku.
overnight nje umuntu AI artist li number one streaming artist.
Bruh, it's crazy with AI. Yo.
It's
Yeah,
wild.
it's one
And sometimes
AI nginenkinga la.
sesivumelile.
AI nginenkinga. Uzokuphendula.
Yeah,
Robot.
kakhulu.
Hey.
Yeah. Sesivumelile
Dangerous
full
leyo
song.
nto leyo.
Hayi,
Sekuvunyiwe ukuthi
lalela
hayi.
the Chinese people they work overtime, guys.
Yeah.
They work
eChina kuphila kabili ngizokwazi lokho.
Yeah.
Kuphilwa kabili eChina. Khona abavuka kuthiwa nje khona bevuka ekseni baphile ekseni khona baphile ebusuku.
Yes,
That's
you're right.
crazy.
And in South Africa, I don't.
Hey.
Yeah, bruh.
Sesivana actually ikhona message wena ofuna ukuyiphusha out there.
Definitely, there's a message I really want to push out there, guys. Please nominate us for the KZN Youth Business Awards. As the Movies Media, you can put us in media category. It's a youth-owned business, very good business, youth-led also. Or you can nominate us as the Creatives Unplugged podcast. Just go there. If you guys need information, Movies Media one email, and then in numbers we file the screening because more fagi form la pa yamela ukubhala email ni number like higher.
Yeah.
And then if it's nifake into because nothing fake into.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And uyazi ke abantu basithanda kanani. Ngiyazi ukuthi nizosinominator.
Yeah.
Ungene laphayana nje
Yeah.
bethi nominate Movies Media.
Yeah.
Nobe sheshilo ke sister of
And
the
the
show,
media.
sister of the show. Sister of the show, 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 sister of the show. Before spoon man, sitavela sivu man, sister of the show, sister of the show, sister of the show, sister of the show. Ungakhohlwa kuya ku-YouTube press laphayana ufike ushaya ulike uthi subscribe. Sister of the show, sister of the show, sister of the show, sister of the show. Hey. Asivalele same guys. Asivalele same.
But please don't forget to subscribe.
Oh,
You said it, right?
yeah.
Yeah, please don't forget to subscribe.
Angithathe
people.
ngishaya ku-rhyme.
Oh, ngibina people. Bye.
Bye.
uthandwa kanjani yilo 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 uthandwa kanjani yilo 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 uthandwa kanjani yilo 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 uthandwa kanjani ungesabi solo ungakwadi uzokhanya siqulazi uzokhanya God is great all the time ungesabi solo ungakwadi uzokhanya siqulazi uzokhanya God is great all the time yilo 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 uthandwa kanjani 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 yilo 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 uthandwa kanjani